43 candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology. 89 candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. 47 candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. 25 candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. 28 candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. And 25 candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Electronics Engineering. These candidates have satisfactorily completed all the requirements for graduation set by the Commission on Higher Education and the University of the Immaculate Conception. I hereby request that they be conferred the titles and degrees hereunto appertaining.
By virtue of the power vested upon me by the Board of Trustees of the University of the Immaculate Conception, and after satisfactorily completing the requirements for graduation set by the Commission of Higher Education, the RBM Education Ministry Commission, and the University of the Immaculate Conception, I confirm the graduation of the following: 15